My name is Pat Iyer, and I would like to invite you to go on a journey with Barbara Levin and I at our next LNC Success Conference. It's taking place October 27th and 28th, 2022. In this conference, we have a focus on both clinical and business building programs. We're going to equip you with the knowledge and skills that you need to advance your LNC business to the next level. Our speakers are going to be talking about topics such as interpreting electronic medical records and audit trails, looking at marketing techniques that will help advance your business. How do you handle your finances? What are some of the tips and tricks related to keeping track of your expenses? And we're going to present you with a case duly presented by Barbara Levin and the attorney who tried the case to its conclusion, a fascinating case of medical malpractice with a catastrophic outcome for the patient. You'll also gain some skills in leadership and learn some communication techniques from our leadership coach. You'll also get some wisdom from legal nurse consultants who have been in this role for decades. What are their strategies? What are their lessons learned? And you'll also get a focus on how the legal nurse consultant works with a mediation role. How can you expand your LNC practice to assist attorneys in what can be a very high stakes event when a case goes in front of a mediator? One of our speakers is a nurse mediator, and the other person presenting this program has been in the LNC role at the mediation table. You can get a special early bird discount by signing up for this program now. That link is right below this video. It is http://lnc.tips/October 2022 virtual. That's all one word. That link again is http://lnc.tips/October 2022 virtual. Be sure to sign up for this program and get the benefit of new strategies, new knowledge, and opportunities to network and get support with your colleagues, people that you can meet in a safe environment virtually and enjoy the experiences of expanding your mind and your network. I'll see you there.